do we say, "I love you with all my heart," instead of, "I love you with all my brain"? With that simple question, it all started. After this pandemic, it became clear to us that being alive is not just about breathing. To be alive is to make emotions again, and it is precisely in the heart where all of them are stored. Fitur, the major international tourism event and the first major face-to-face event in Europe, is back, and we will fill it with life, with color, with light, with joy. We will fill it with Andalucia. Welcome to Andalucia, the factory of emotions. A creative, experiential concept that helped us to communicate and promote the destination in an innovative way. A titanic production that overcame the great challenge posed by the current situation. We designed a totally revolutionary layout and construction that brought the 8 Andalusian provinces closer to the visitor, showing the full potential of their products and destinations through audiovisual formats combined with the latest technologies. A universe of tourist experiences, which made the public discover our most special raw material, emotions. We create a hybrid factory, where everyone could enjoy, both from the pavilion and from anywhere in the world, generating a great participation and interaction instantly. A new technological and digital concept to communicate not only the visible, but also the invisible. We immerse the public in the 8 Andalusian provinces through a multitude of interactive and sensorial dynamics. Thousands of gestures and emotions were captured by our network of cameras. And we did it in the safest and most sustainable factory. A smart and efficient space which boosted high business generation. And then the big finale, the Great Factory Show, a multimedia show that flooded the entire pavilion with tourist emotions, generating the beating of thousands of hearts.
Esta edición de Fitur 2021 era una edición para lanzar un mensaje tan positivo como emocional. Andalucía, la fábrica de las emociones, ha llenado de energía y positivismo a toda la industria y a todo el sector que nos ha acompañado en IFEMA en Madrid. Andalucía no deja de lanzar esas emociones a todo aquel visitante que nos acompaña y así lo seguirá haciendo.
Andalucia, the factory of emotions.